Welcome to Mr. USA English. Today, we have an inspiring and emotional English learning conversation for you.
That's right. You'll hear a beautiful story about friendship, ambition, laughter, and challenges, all set between college life and the corporate world.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for more real-life English conversations.
Let's get started with today's conversation and see what we can learn from this journey.
Good morning. You look sleepy. Didn't get enough rest last night.
Smiles. Not really. I was finishing the project we're supposed to present today.
Oh, right. The marketing presentation. I hope our professor likes it.
Me too. You know, sometimes I feel like balancing college and part-time work is just too much.
Yeah, it's hard. But remember, every late night is a step toward your dream.
Laughs. Spoken like a motivational speaker. But thank you.
Anytime. Let's grab a quick coffee before class.
You read my mind. I can't believe we actually did it. The professor smiled.
Yeah? And did you see the class clapping? That was all you.
No, that was teamwork. We make a pretty good duo, don't we?
We sure do. Maybe we should start a company together someday.
Giggles. Let's survive college first.
Welcome to our new battlefield, the office.
Looks around.
Wow, it's so different from campus. Everyone looks so serious.
Don't worry. Just smile, and you'll fit right in.
Easy for you to say. You've been working part-time here for months.
True. But hey, I'll show you the ropes. Let's make our boss proud.
Deal. And maybe we'll sneak out for ice cream later?
You bet.
Sighs. Today was terrible. The boss rejected my report, said it lacked clarity.
Hey, it's okay. It happens. My first week here was full of red marks too.
Really?
Yeah. What matters is that you don't give up. You'll get better.
Smiles faintly. Thanks. Sometimes I just need to hear that.
That's what friends are for.
It's peaceful up here. The city lights look beautiful.
Yeah. Funny how the world feels quiet after a noisy day.
Do you ever think about where we'll be in 5 years?
All the time. I want to travel, maybe start a business, but I want people who believe in me around.
You mean like me?
Exactly.
Smiles. Then promise me, wherever we go, we'll keep supporting each other.
Promise.
Can you believe it's over? 4 years just flew by.
Yeah. From coffee breaks to office deadlines, we did it.
You know, I was scared in the beginning. I thought I wouldn't make it.
But you did. You grew stronger, smarter, and braver.
And you were there every step of the way.
That's what friends and dreamers do.
Teary-eyed.
Thank you.
No, thank you for never giving up. First day at our new job. Can you believe it?
Laughs. After all those sleepless nights, we finally made it.
Life's funny, isn't it? The same people who doubted us will now call us professionals.
Smiles. Let's stay humble. We still have a long way to go.
Absolutely. But I'm proud of how far we've come.
Me too. Here's to new beginnings and to Mr. USA English learners everywhere.
Laughs. Yes, keep learning, keep smiling. Wow. B. This office looks so professional.
I know. I feel a little nervous meeting the boss today.
Don't worry. Just smile and be confident.
Easy for you to say. You've been interning here for months.
True. But remember, first impression count.
Deep breath. Okay, let's do this.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for having us.
Smiles. Good morning, sir.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir. We are eager to learn.
Got it, sir. We'll make sure it's clear and thorough.
Understood, sir. Thank you for trusting us.
Of course, sir.
Yes, sir. A. I think I made a mistake in the report.
What happened?
I miscalculated the budget projection. The client figures are wrong.
Don't panic. Let's fix it before the boss notices.
Size. I feel terrible.
Mistakes happen. We'll learn and improve.
Nervously. I apologize, sir. I will correct it immediately.
Thank you, sir. We'll fix it right away.
Yes, sir.
Let's divide the work and double-check the numbers.
Great idea. This way, we avoid errors.
Also, let's prepare a summary for the boss.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. We worked together to make sure it was accurate.
We also included some suggestions to improve efficiency.
Smiles. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That was intense. I was so nervous.
But see, the boss appreciated our effort.
I learned that mistakes are okay if we handle them responsibly.
Exactly. And teamwork makes it easier.
I feel more confident now.
Let's grab coffee. I think we earned it.
Agreed. And maybe we can share some funny office moments with the boss later.
Laughs. Yes, a little humor goes a long way. Thank you, sir. Your guidance helped us a lot.
Yes, sir. We are motivated to do even better next week.
Thank you for listening to this conversation from Mr. USA English.
We hope you enjoyed this story filled with laughter, friendship, and motivation.
Remember, English is not just a language, it's a bridge to your dreams.
Absolutely. Learning English opens doors and connects you with opportunities all around the world.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for more inspiring English lessons every week.
Join us next time for more stories, tips, and motivation to help you on your English journey.